Hey, it's day 50. That sounds pretty cool. 365 days of style. So today I am leaving on a jet plane, and so I really wanted to be, casual cute today. And so I have on my funky leggings, and I've worn with a different outfit before, but let me share with you how I am rocking it today. So they're fabulous. They're almost like a tweed print on the front, super stretchy, and they have like a leather patch down the side, which is really cool girl to me. So I had to pair it with my black sneaks. And then I have a little bit of a tunic type top on underneath. And then this particular sweatshirt, zip up sweatshirt that I have, it's super soft, it's got a great fur lining, and what I really like about it for traveling is that it has a zippered pocket. So I can really put anything that I want to in here and be walking through the airport, that kind of thing, and not lose anything. So here is my outfit for today. You will notice that I'm going to be maybe posting some different things even to my Allie J Boutique page on my travels, but I'll still be doing my 365 days of style videos from here. Yes, we do pre-film when needed to do our 365 days of style because it just really helps make sure you get all the tips that I really want to bring to you each and every day, so I can be sure to do that. But I'll be sharing with you some other things on my travels as well, I promise. All right, so there's day 50. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you're enjoying all the different pairing option ideas that we're bringing you with 365 Days of Style.